kuan sa ako.
Sige te.
Okay. Yes, welcome.
Sige te.
Yeah, so there's a lot for sale, 11 hectares, including the house here, and it's irrigated. And the rice field will harvest 500 bags of rice, and it's only, I think, 1.5 kilometer from the national highway. So we're here in Nagohoy, and as I said, it's there's an irrigation, so you don't need to worry on the right of way. So this is Beth, Terrence's husband, Terrence's wife, a foreigner in the Philippines. So Mia will go walk there. Go there.
Unsa ko ingon tay? Sunod na ako Ate Biba te. Pila ni siya anong kante?
11 hectares.
11 hectares niya.
Irrigated.
Na
Naibay,
irrigation.
naibudiga.
Pila baligya te.
Uy, kunang kuan na. Ayo, kuan. Pwede. 9.5. Kapag ka nagkuan. Naibudiga. Naitubig.
So the house is included. There is an irrigation here, as you can see. There are a lot of water. Also, here is the rice field. Nag-video ka te?
Facebook.
Na-mention dire te. Stop sa laman te.
May namin siya.
Ang price.